It's August in Bryant Park, New York. A man with fiery eyes hovers on the edge of a grisly mystery. 500 years ago, a Marrano, a secret Jew named Rosas, was betrayed to the Inquisition. She was imprisoned, tortured, and forced to confess crimes against the Church. I die on a beautiful day beneath a cloudless blue sky, with a warm breeze blowing from the fields of purple wildflowers. I have been convicted of heresy and sentenced to death. My execution is the highlight of a public celebration called an auto de fe, or act of faith. The town gathers to watch me burned at the stake. I once attended these events as a viewer to prove I was just like my neighbors. I was horrified. As a secret Jew, our small, hidden community was underground. If we were exposed, it meant facing the Inquisition ourselves. And then I was betrayed. So today I die, after being tortured, after confessing to crimes against the Church, after they murdered Lucas, my husband. But I never told them where my 3 daughters have fled. Never. The Inquisition guards arrive at my cell. They wrench me from the filthy straw. They drag me through the dark tunnels of the dungeon. Suddenly, we emerge into light. I blink my eyes, barely able to see. I can't remember when I last felt the sun. The procession forms around me. The chief inquisitor leads us, radiant in his finest gown. There are 5 prisoners, including a little boy. Behind us are the magistrates, soldiers hauling wood for the fires, men carrying axe lances, and hooded, chanting friars. Drummers pound the slow beat of death. My heart aches with thoughts of my daughters. Are they safe? Will they be able to continue the precious seed of our family? We move on. We enter the plaza where my execution will take place. It's filled with excited, laughing crowds. Young children play among the adults. Trumpets and cornets welcome people as if it were a grand tournament. Food and drink are everywhere. My beloved neighbors are ready to celebrate my death. I want so much to be brave. I want to hold my head up and feel no fear. Instead, my tears deceive me. My heart pounds in terror as the soldiers tie me to the stake. I'm awash with the raw fear of death. The soldier torches the tinder at my feet. In seconds, flames rise around me. The words come, unbidden. Please, God, save my children. The past crashes ruthlessly into the present. Time freezes. Something unthinkable is about to happen.